Booker for 3 minutes. Jamal and Rosie, two big bad men with even bigger, badder attitudes.
The foe is a fatal four-way tag team match. Introducing first, at a combined weight of 770 pounds, Rosie and Jamal. 3-minute warning.
Well, the jump people from behind, and they are masters of the post-match beatdown. Now, Rosie and Jamal making a point to create decimation every time they enter the building. WWE Universe, it's time to get the tables.
And their opponents, first, at a combined weight of 603 pounds, Bubba Ray and Devon, the Dudley Boyz.
You know, street smarts have a different meaning when you're from Dudleyville. Yeah, it's not like the easy streets of Burke, Virginia. Bubba, Devon, such incredible communication and continuity. It's hard to believe they're only half brothers. Yeah, the Dudleys have been beating up folks for decades, and they're still going strong. And that is what's up. Bubba, Devon. Quiet, you guys, quiet. Did you guys hear that? Shuts out there. Don't ever do that again. Oh, such a snitch.
Can you dig it, sucker?
Booker T has arrived.
And from Houston, Texas, weighing in at 251 pounds, Booker T.
One of the hardest working men in sports entertainment. Devin Booker has earned everything he's got. Booker T always brings the heat inside the ring. Booker T has proven he must be taken seriously. Yeah, just ask the WCW locker room. Yeah, Booker T walked out of the last WCW Nitro as both the United States and World Champion. And here comes one of my favorites.
And from Hollywood, California, weighing in at 232 pounds, Dustin Rhodes.
The feeling, the electricity in the arena right now is unlike anything I've ever felt in quite some time. This match is gonna be good.
He's physically and mentally prepared for the task at hand in this big-time match.
Here we go, guys. Stand back. There's a hurricane coming through.
We are in the eye of a storm.
WWE's original superhero is here.
And weighing in at 215 pounds, the Hurricane.
Now, believe it or not, Hurricane has actually held plenty of titles. The Cruiserweight title, the European, the Hardcore, and the Tag Team titles.
Don't let the goofy costume fool you. The Hurricane is the real deal.
Tomorrow's headline, Hurricane saves WWE.
Byron, you know this isn't a comic book, right? This is real life, and Hurricane's powers aren't real.
Tell that to the Hurricane. Tag team tornado match underway. Multiple teams facing off, but there will only be one winner.
Everyone competing at once. You really need to know the status of your partner and every opponent in this match.
Backbreaker. Able to slip out of that one. Line. No disqualifications in this match. Corey, what's the play here?
I think we all know the answer to that one, Cole. Do whatever it takes to win. You're not going to get called out for a thumb to the eyes or a chair to the back, so anything. Awesome, I love it.
It's going to take more than that to keep his shoulders down.
He's looking to get this match won in short order.
Bug across the back of the neck. Ooh, clothesline delivered.
Take all.
How are they going to get away with this?
Oh, this is big. Wow. Devon with some agility.
Devon gets intercepted.
He's getting fired up now, really feeding off this crowd.
And looking at Devon Dudley.
I honestly can't believe we just saw it.
Devon. Going to the pole. He tries him down with saving grace.
Rosie won't come back after that. He did not want things to end this way. Driven down. Ooh, and he manages to reverse.
Loving blow. Elbow drop. Piercing. Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy.
target.
Foot landing directly on the face. Oh, yes, he might have him here.
Is this it?
Stops the count, keeping this match alive. And Rosie gets warded off.
Uh-oh, full Nelson.
Versus T.O.
Vicious right forearm. Put in the corner now.
Hurricane.
Threadbreaker. Hurricane has this wrapped up.
This place is going insane.
The ground beneath my feet is shaking.
Now it's Booker T, shoulders down to secure the win.
Shut the door. This could be over. He's able to cut off the pin count here.
And now Devon Dudley.
This is not going to end well.
This could be the end of the night for Rosie. Prince. Hurricane.
The WWE Universe showing the love for these superstars who have given them so much strength.
Headlock. Oh, cheap shot right above the eye.
Oh, man. Turned it into a statement DDT. Back suplex.
What a kick.
Nice side headlock applied.
And he retaliates.
Oh, man. I can't go shot to that.
The cover for the win.
Stops the pin.
He almost had him.
Uranagi.
Man, oh man. Listen to this place. It's electric.
Oh, man. He
From the top.
Jamal pins the shoulders down. He kicked out. Oh my God, he kicked out.
Devon.
now has his opponent set up.
And saving grace.
Devon could have this one. Now heading outside.
Could be thinking of high risk. Shoulder down. Could this be it? That'll break up the pin.
Just in time, too. Bubba Ray executing the plan.
And we have Bubba. This could be the end of the night for Rosie.
What a tag match we just saw.
Here are your winners, Bubba Ray and Devon Dudley.
An incredibly impressive showing